Good morning, dear students, and welcome to you in today's lecture. Before starting our today's lecture, I highlight the points which we had learnt in the yesterday's lecture. In that, you learned the concept of self presentation, physical appearance, and factors affecting physical appearance. Now, let's we continue with today's point is that self introduction. In that, dear students, we learning the definition and concept of self introduction, dynamics of self introduction, and demonstration of self introduction. Then we focus the definition of self introduction. Self introduction is a formal personal presentation of one person to another person. Means what? I am introducing to you in front of the students at a classroom. I am Mrs. S.V. Sangfar. I completed MBA, MPhil, pursuing PhD. This is what personal introduction of me to you means. This is my self introduction. Okay, I thought you have got this concept. We see where it is used in detail. Dear students, it is used actually when we employment process undergoes a certain stage on interview, and those stage of interview can be particular extraction process of skills, but most of the candidate ignore they ignore their during preparation how to introduce themselves to the recruiters. It might seem as a price of, but it's a better to be prepared, as the saying goes, like first impression is the last impression. Okay, when we are going for the interview, at that moment if you are not well prepared, you are too much confused, and what you are lost your first impression. So dear students, for the interview you have to prepare yourself with a self introduction. For that, how we do this self introduction? Before this learning, we take a focus on dynamics of self introduction. In that, what we are doing, consider what your goal are. What do you want to learn more about through networking? Means what? You boost yourself through the dynamics. For self introduction means what? Why you are giving this interview? For the job purpose, for the presentation. Okay, you have to set your goal. According to that, through the number of networking, you have to collect the information and boost yourself. Next, what you are determining and describe the most relevant piece of information about yourself. Means what? If you are introducing yourself, which things you want to be introduced, that piece only you have to most concentrate. Okay, and next is what? Combine this information a 2-3 sentence introduction about yourself. Okay, not separate the sentences, combine it. Okay, next what? This is often called as a elevator speech. I thought you are understanding the dynamic of self introduction. Now let's we go ahead with the how you introduce yourself. For that, which information you have to with you. I am giving a piece of example. Introducing yourself. My name is what? SV Sangpal. I am a student of. Okay, I am just giving initials to you. Nice to meet you. I am. You fill in the blanks. Okay, pleased to meet you. I am. Let me introduce myself. I am. I did like. Sorry. To introduce myself. This is what, dear students, it is a initial statement or a sentence, starting points of sentence, and you have to use for using your introduction, and through that you have to try at home because there is no practical session because of pandemic. Okay, next, what? Introducing others. When you introduce to others means was, John, please meet Nichols. In your language, what? Prasad, please meet to Sujit. John, have you met Nichols? I did like you to meet Lisa. I did like to introduce you to Betty. Tom, this is an what? Anna. Anna, this is Tom. Means what? I am not introduced myself. I am introduced to what? My friend, my guest. And in official workouts, you require these things. Next, what? Useful responses. When you introduce or you understand to others introduction, at that moment you required knowledge of responses. In that, what you are learn? Nice to meet you, pleased to meet you, happy to meet you, how do you do? Okay, this way you improve your interactions. Next, what? We take a tips for improve a self introduction. Put on a smile. The first impression is the last impression. While you are giving the self introduction, you have to put a smile on your face, because smiley face is what? Always happy. Okay, next, what? Mention your name and place along with greeting. Greeting means what? Wishing. Good morning, good afternoon. Okay, next, what? Be confident. You don't shiver, dear students. You have your own confidence and you talk confidently. Add family details if asked. When you ask, add family details when they ask. Otherwise, you don't add in this. Next, what? Put your hobbies. Dear students, always keep in mind, you have to be put in your introduction what? Hobbies, not liking and disliking. Hobbies is different. You have to knowledge about your hobbies. Next, describe the educational qualification. Next, what is your aim? Means goal, achievement, what you want to be do in a future. Okay, this is your aim. Next, what? Previous job experience, additional courses. If you are doing additional courses like Tally and the number of languages, you have to put or add into that introduction. Always keep in mind, if you have any piece of experience, 10 years, 2 years, 6 months, above 6 months, you have to add. Otherwise, do not. Okay, this way what we understand the tips of self introduction. Next, what? Demonstration of self introduction. I am giving a little bit sentences to you for the how we introduce to others. My name is Joy. I live in India. I speak English, Hindi and Marathi. I am 20 years old. My hobbies are writing, reading. I completed my graduation in Shivaji University with distinction. I am also completed MS Bank Tally courses. I have 2 years of working experience in bank as an employee. My aim is to become a good banker. Thank you. This is a small piece of introduction. You add or delete something according to your knowledge. And dear students, keep in mind, my name is Joy. No, you use your name and maintain this introduction in your notebook. I am seen this all the things afterwards. I will see. Okay, and what? You make your video with a self introduction in your mobile and practice it again and again. It is useful to you for the introduction in an interview as well as in the society. So let's I wind up today's lecture. Thank you.